And this is the way you set an IDU. Oh, I did find something out, that this screen takes the place of the other one. You can still purchase the other ones and put them in, but this one doesn't, it didn't come with them. So it's saying this one takes the place, the outside one takes the place of the two inside ones that we normally have. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, she's off and running. Literally a perfect installation. So everything worked swimmingly. It just worked out perfect. A few tight areas. It was hard to get and work inside that little tight area right there, but made it happen, baby. Using the line benders, it worked out great. And we got the disconnect sitting right there. It looked out perfect. Everything just all buttoned up real nice. Our line set cover looks great. Goes all the way up. And it goes across. Shows that ends at the house. Perfect job. Now it actually looks perfect. Wish I could stand back far enough away to be able to get it in view, but this is my angle. It's way downhill. So yeah, there's no. This is as close as, or as far as I can get away from this thing. So anyway, it's on a deck way up above the earth, and looks pretty good. Okay, if you have any questions, put them down below.